It's beyond heartbreaking to even watch this video. This video has been taken in Himachal Pradesh, India, wherein currently or recently they are suffering from flash floods and landslide. It is estimated that as of 10th of July, at least 42 individuals have lost their life. The Indian Army and National Disaster Response Force has closed many roads leading to this particular area in India. Many properties have been destroyed or damaged due to this flood and landslide. As in this video, you can see a bridge collapse. My heart felt